Hello! If you machine wood with the milling machine and you want to solve the bad workpiece finish and excessive wear of the router bit's cutting edge for good, then you are welcome. To counter the spread in the market of router bits made of cheap materials and the total lack of support from tool dealers, after years of complicated studies and tests, we have created BOSS BEAVER, the original wood router bit that lasts 3 times as long. Thanks to the special diamond powder coating applied to the best carbide on the market, increase productivity by at least 3 times because you won't waste time replacing the router bit or taking it to sharpen before you have even completed the workpieces. Reduce the risk of burn marks thanks to less friction compared to uncoated router bits. Reduce the adhesion of harmful scraps and glues to the router bit and workpieces. You can therefore also mill chipboard without problems. Maximize the finish of the workpiece thanks to the absence of burn marks and reduced adhesion of scraps and glues. Save considerable money over time due to the longer life of the cutting edge and the perfect finish of the workpiece. Too good to be true? We have received more than 1,000 genuine and certified reviews from demanding craftsmen and hobbyists from all over Europe who are working happily with BOSS BEAVER. You can find the entire BOSS BEAVER line in Europe's #1 megastore dedicated to wood, aluminum, and plastic router bits, www.fraisertools.com, where you will also find the parameter values for CNC directly in your account after purchase. Take advantage of free support now, or choose the router bit model that suits you best. And if, after support from one of our tutors, you purchase the router bit and you are not satisfied, we will refund it.